Creating a Jira Service Management project involves setting up a dedicated space for managing customer requests and IT service operations. Here's how to create a Jira Service Management project. Log into Jira. Access your Jira instance with your administrator credentials. Navigate to Project Creation. Click on the Projects drop-down menu in the top navigation bar and select Create Project. Choose a project template. You will see options for various project templates. Select Jira Service Management from the list. This template is specifically designed for service management and support. Select a project template. Choose a suitable template based on your needs. Options typically include IT service management, customer service, or custom templates. Click Use Template. Configure project details. Name. Enter a name for your service management project. Key. Provide a unique project key that will be used in issue IDs. Project lead. Optionally, assign a project lead who will oversee the project. Set up request types. After the project is created, configure request types by going to project settings and selecting request types. Customize these to define the types of requests customers can submit. Configure SLAs and queues. Set up service level agreements and queues to manage and prioritize incoming requests. Access these settings from project settings under SLAs and queues. Customize and launch. Adjust other settings like workflows, permissions, and notifications as needed. Once configured, you can start using the project to manage service requests.